I just received my all-purpose seasoning from Seasonopia. This seasoning is the only season you'll need for beef, chicken, fish, pork, veggies. This is my go-to seasoning. It has garlic, onion, pepper, salt, nutmeg, paprika, parsley, less than 1% of brown sugar. The only seasoning you'll need for all your recipes. It's non-GMO, dairy-free, gluten-free. I received this all-purpose seasoning from CH Products. You can purchase this awesome seasoning on Amazon, and it's Seasonopia. You'll love it. This is my go-to seasoning for everything. So today what I'm going to use it on is, I picked up a London broil. So I'm going to put my seasoning on my London broil, put it on the grill. I filleted my roast. Now I'll open up the seasoning, the Seasonopia, and that's what it looks like. It smells good. So now I'll put the cap on and sprinkle some on top. You see that it has 5 nice little holes on the top. So now I'll sprinkle it on the roast. Boy, can I smell those spices. Those spices smell good. I'm going to put it on the grill. Look at how good that looks. You can purchase this on Amazon. I use it on all my recipes. This is my go-to seasoning.